Sarap.
So good. Can't stop eating.
What's up? Bianca and Sofia here.
Hi guys.
So the background to this recipe, I was making this maybe about a month ago when I posted it on my Instagram stories and then you replied.
Yeah.
I actually stopped eating chicken for 1 whole year. And wala lang. I just like to do this to myself. Like I will abstain from something for 1 whole year. Just like a personal challenge. And when I started eating chicken again in January of this year, I was like, I want chicken adobo. So I'm gonna make myself adobo.
Ay, hirap naman.
My adobo is pretty special because I like my adobo saucy and very, very garlicky. And what makes mine different is I use apple cider vinegar and balsamic vinegar. How do you like your adobo? Do you like it dry and vinegary? Do you like it saucy?
I like it saucy.
You like it saucy. Do you like it more?
Kasi sinasabaw ko siya sa rice. That's really good. I mean, yun talaga din ako addict. I can eat adobo every day.
So, you have to marinate the chicken. I already marinated this with soy sauce, garlic, apple cider vinegar, but not the balsamic vinegar. So the very first thing that we need to do is brown the chicken first on all sides. It's important that you brown it properly so that the skin of the chicken doesn't get soggy when we're slow cooking it later.
Before, nung hindi pa ako conscious with my body, I used to eat like 5 cups of rice.
Whoa!
I can't finish that. So I remember when my classmates are like, after school, we would go to this restaurant. It was like only rice. So ako lagi yung pinakamadami rice.
So next, we're gonna put in the marinade.
I'm sorry. I'm so messy. Sorry.
I was gonna put this. Use that one. Mukhang tablecloth. Yeah, we're just gonna scrape the bottom. Sometimes there's like some chicken skin that's left there. Okay, and then you can put in the sweet potato now. So now we have to put the chicken back in because we do not want the sweet potato to overcook. So just lodge it in between the sweet potato. We want to bring the liquid to a boil first, and then when it's boiling, that's when we turn it down and we simmer it for about 30 to 45 minutes. Wait, I forgot. I forgot something. This one. The bay leaves. I forgot the bay leaves. Can you also put the peppercorn? The other 2 very important ingredients in adobo I almost forgot. Pepper bay.
Pepper bay.
Pepper bay. Now we're gonna put in the mushrooms first.
And they're big.
Yeah.
Mushroom.
Let's taste the timpla of the sabaw. Let's taste the timpla of the sabaw. Let's taste the taste of the sauce. Okay, one last taste test. Just in case we need to adjust the flavor.
Wow.
Sarap? Sweet enough?
It's so good.
Linis na naman.
Sorry. It's okay.
Okay, are you ready to try it? Game.
Get the mushroom first.
Mushroom muna. Dapat just like a little bit of everything in one bite.
So good.
Probably not the easiest way to eat adobo in a bowl.
I know. There. OMG.
So you think you can end up making this on your own? Kaya na?
Okay pa.
Huh? Sorry.
Still eat it anyway.
It's easy, right?
It's really good, huh? You guys should try this at home because it's really, really good.
And if you guys like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and subscribe to this channel. And follow me on Instagram, Bianca_King. And follow Sofia on.
At I am Sofia Andres on Instagram.
Ooh, yan ang masarap. Sabaw and rice. We're so Pinoy.